Dude, these headphones got me in my feelings already. So, I, for a couple weeks, have had some exciting things to share. But I didn't share them until today because, well, we now know what Apple's Christmas surprise is supposed to be. And I'm really excited for this one. Probably if you guys are excited, hit subscribe for more. And we're also going to talk about the Apple TV. So how did we get here? How did we get to the eve before Christmas, essentially? Well, it started a few weeks back when Love to Dream, the best friend of the channel, my personal favorite leaker, Love to Dream, shared that Apple had something else in the works, that they were working on some kind of a Christmas surprise. Now, at the time, I was like, oh, this is a joke considering that this was the image nearly shared tweet after this. So I said, whoa, Love to Dream, what direction are we going out here? Because that does not look family friendly. I mean, I guess that doesn't look family friendly. Don't even get me to question it. So people started guessing all over the place. Is it AirTags, the wireless tracking device that's been rumored for a couple of years? Is it over-ear headphones from Apple that have also been leaked intermittently for the past 2-3 years now? Is it something else like an Apple TV or something else entirely that Apple hasn't revealed? Is it something as simple as an iPhone case and we're getting all excited for this? Because you have to remember that this is supposed to be coming in less than 12 hours now. How do we know that? Well, about a week ago, Mac Rumors obtained a new memo that was sent to Apple Care employees. And now this usually happens whenever Apple is about to announce something new. Apple will let people know that something's coming soon. And well, we got the exact date and time for when they should expect some updates to apple.com. It's Tuesday, December 8th at 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's usually when Apple drops press releases for new products. Mac Rumors shared that information, and then everybody's starting to lose their minds, right? Because it's like, oh my gosh, what could this is actually happening. Like, this Christmas surprise sounds pretty legitimate. It sounds like it could actually be a product or a couple of products. You know, what could it be? So all of this is building up to here, right? But we still didn't know. But I'm proud to tell you that we know now, because my site, Apple Track, without getting into any details, we're not doing details about this story. I will just tell you that Apple Track has the details of what to expect tomorrow. Which leads us to today's story. This information that I've come across suggests that Apple will be releasing one more product this year, and that is the over-ear version of AirPods. These have been in the works for years. They were initially supposed to come out in 2018. They got delayed to 2019, and even this year in 2020, they faced production delays. Like, they were on the assembly line, and there was still something off that Apple couldn't get just right. Well, Apple's figured it out. And Apple's Christmas surprise is here, and we even know roughly what they're gonna look like. Now, keep in mind, this version of AirPod Studio was shared ahead of the production changes on the line, so there's the potential that like the headband or other parts, like the little metal arms, could be a little bit different. And we've heard so many cool things about these. Mark Gurman has told us that the pads will likely be interchangeable, and there could even be two different versions of AirPod Studio. Well, what you're looking at right now is the high-end version that could actually cost about $599, so definitely not cheap. There's also like a sport version made of some cheaper materials that might launch for as cheap, quote unquote, as $350, and that's just scratching the surface of what these will be able to do. It's gonna be the magic of AirPods, but in something a little bit heftier, a little bit bigger, and the naming will likely be AirPod Studio, but as alluded to in a tweet from John Prosser just today, maybe it could be AirPods Max. I mean, the Max branding would perfectly align with Apple's iPhone 12 Pro Max. And Apple seems to be becoming way more consistent with naming their product lines, which, hey, I appreciate. So AirPods Studio, AirPods Pro Max, they're almost here. And the feature set for this product may not be the most groundbreaking, but we've heard some really cool stuff. Like when you take them off of your ears and put them around your neck, they're automatically gonna play and pause. Pause when you take them off, play when you put them back on, just like traditional AirPods. They're also gonna have really nice sound quality. You'll also reportedly be able to set a custom equalizer, but that's pretty standard across a lot of headphones. My favorite feature by far that these are said to be getting is basically reversibility. So you know how headphones always have a left channel and a right channel? You've probably seen this on headphones before. AirPod Studio are said to detect which ear is left and which ear is right, so it dynamically routes it, and there's not going to be like the right way to do it. Now, obviously, again, this could have changed in production because this information is a couple of months old now, but that just seems right. Like one of those AirPods features that's simply too good to pass up. Plus, these are going to pair instantly and have noise cancellation. Now, I've never been a noise cancellation guy, but if you care about it, noise cancellation is absolutely coming to these headphones. I mean, Apple would be pretty bold to launch a $350 pair of headphones that didn't have noise cancellation. So there it is, the Christmas surprise, what we have been alluding to for such a long time, and also what continuously lines up with what Love to Dream has said from the beginning, that these would be good for winter, winter exclusive. I don't know what looks more like earmuffs than a pair of over-ear big headphones. And I wanna hear your thoughts about this down below. Are you excited to pick these up? I mean, Apple, I'm ready. I've been waiting for these, and I've literally held off buying a pair of Bluetooth headphones over the past few months, just because, really years if I'm being honest with myself, because we've heard these have been coming. And I just feel like over-ear combined with the magic of AirPods in one product is gonna be a knockout of the park. And guess what? It launches before the holiday season, which is, you know, just really convenient. I mean, my dad, I feel like, oh, he probably watches this video. Dad, I may or may not be getting you AirPods Studio or AirPods Max. Sorry, I kind of just spoiled it. I'm sorry. So what about AirTags? What about the Apple TV? Listen, at this point, I don't know if AirTags are ever coming. Maybe they come tomorrow. Maybe they never come. Nobody seems to really know what is up with AirTags, but something that we do know about is the Apple TV. Did you see those stories about it today? Did you see all the rumors? Did you see the no-name Twitter account that continues to trick people into thinking new products are coming with absolutely no credibility, yet people for some reason will start to believe them when they tweet the day before of a potential product announcement? Yeah, I saw that tweet too. And to that I say, no. Listen, I don't know why Apple's taking their time on the Apple TV. I would love to get some perspective to figure out what's going on, because it seems like there's a lot of people that are ready to upgrade, and rightfully so. You know, the last time we saw an Apple TV upgrade was 3 years ago in 2017. And nobody's heard anything about an Apple TV this year. Mark Gurman even today reaffirming once again on Twitter, no Apple TV expected. So as much as you guys want it, I'm sorry, but we're gonna be putting the Apple TV back where it belongs, because yeah, there's a lot of suggestion that it could be an Apple TV, but if you actually look at who's credible and who's saying what, no, there's not an Apple TV coming. So I know I want the Apple TV too. Listen, I've actually been looking forward to buying a new Apple TV as well. And of course, we just have to wait. But can you really complain in the same year where we got Apple Watch Series 6? Kind of a Mac upgrade, but mainly the iPhone 12. Like, the iPhone 12 is just so great, I can't really complain if we don't get anything else this year. Maybe tomorrow's nothing. Maybe we don't say anything. But I don't believe it. So let me know your thoughts on all this down below. Are you excited for your new pair of AirPods coming out? Are you looking forward to a new Apple TV when it does launch eventually sometime, probably next year in 2021? But Apple's had a strong 2020, and I just feel like this Tuesday morning excitement, I don't think there's a better way to wrap up their year. And you know, I can't wait to see what else they're working on, guys. Can't wait to see what else they're working on. This is just the end of 2020. What's gonna happen in 2021? So drop a like if you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe for more. Thanks for following along with this Christmas surprise madness. I've been Sam, and I'll see you when I'm extremely sleep deprived tomorrow at 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.